Hello, just a reminder, this is lesson 77, and this is part 2. This is the only problem we'll be doing on part 2 because this is our last problem. It just wouldn't fit in my part 1 video. So I'm going to start right here. So this is 3, and that's going to be 4. We do this about a step at a time. There's a 3 there. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Minus 5 times 5 is 25. So I've taken this and this, I brought this down, and I did this. Everything else is the same. So then I have to start back here again, and I have 12 minus 16. Right there, I have my 3 plus 8 minus 25. So all of this had to come down. The only thing that changed was this. Okay, and then I'll do this one. So everything else is the same. Please do not try to do more than one operation at a time. 16 minus 12 is 4. Okay, we'll just do that. I think I just got rid of those brackets. And then I have 12 plus 8 minus 25. 25 minus this is 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. So 25 minus 20 is 5. Alright, highly suggest you go back and try to do this without watching all of this and see if you get the same answer, because these are notoriously difficult. And please let me know if you have any questions.